Don't be surprised if one of these days you walked into a bank and it gets harder or impossible to borrow any money for yourself. With banks having nearly a trillion shillings in bad loans, they switch to self-preservation mode because of what non-performing assets do to them.
So it erodes the profitability, then it erodes the capital of the commercial banks. Definitely, the stakeholders, and in this case will be the shareholders, will take a cautious view in terms of credit. It is just natural that we'll look a lot more critically at the applications coming forward. It means that there are certain sectors of the economy that will be denied access to credit. It is just natural.
So the central bank rate, despite falling, might not deliver the needed effect or bring down rates. Banks, though, might be more keen to get involved with companies that want to play a part in the oil sector.
We're also interested in seeing Ugandan companies participate in the oil and gas projects, which is the local content. So we want to support the small and medium enterprises, the local corporates, to participate in this. It will take a lot of investment from our part in terms of growing the expertise even more than where it is, but also helping the Ugandan companies to be ready.
Kenya passed a law putting a ceiling on how interest rates will go. And in Uganda, banks warn that there might be more to lose than gain if Uganda goes the way of interest rate capping like Kenya.
The branches and the ATMs and all these investments that have actually enabled us to raise the level of financial inclusion will be rolled back. Because if you can't make that money, if you can't cover the costs, then you have to reduce the costs. That means you employ less. That means you have to roll back some of these branches and some of the investments that have been made over a period of time.
Some banks here are strongly proposing a long-term solution in a special purpose vehicle to liquidate or handle the 900 billion shillings worth of non-performing assets to reduce the losses. Samuel Setumba, NTV Business.